Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. Today's video is called What Would You Make? It is part of a collaboration video with some other YouTubers, and we'll get into that a little bit more later. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe and share, but make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a video. Let's get started with DIY number 1. For this DIY, I am going to be using some Waverly Antique Wax and staining 3 of these wooden crates and 1 of these hanging wooden planks. Then I will be using a combination of gel super glue and hot glue to attach the crates to the plank, and I do clamp them down in the beginning to make sure they have a good hold, but that hot glue will hold until the super glue sets. The space in between the crates was 4 inches, but I just did 3 crates up the plank, and I made sure to get them spaced evenly, and I marked off the 4-inch mark. Front and back with the Waverly Antique Wax and then wiped off the excess. You do want to let these rounds dry completely before moving on to the next step, which was these little wooden cubes that you can also get at Dollar Tree, and I stained these before and let those dry before I used the gel super glue and glued those to the inside of one of the rounds. Then I put super glue on top of each cube and set the other round on top of the cubes, and then made sure they were completely lined up before I clamped them together and let those dry completely to set up. The next step will be using some of this metal ribbon from Dollar Tree, and all I did was use hot glue and attached it all around the edges of these rounds to kind of just make a border for the tray. And the size here of this particular ribbon fit perfectly with these, so I will definitely link the rounds here below. That way if you want to recreate this exactly, then you will have the exact fit like I did. The last step is to make some legs for the table, and for that I used these little wooden snowmen I got from Dollar Tree last Christmas, and I stained them, and then I used the gel super glue and attached them upside down to the bottom of the tray to make them look like little table legs. It turned out so cute. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, because that is a free way to help your girl out with the YouTube algorithms. And I would also like to again thank Connie's Creative Creations and OK at Home DIYs for hosting the What Would You Make challenge, and also their guest host, The Rusted Willow. So I will see you guys in the next video.